So what happened was, they're raising money all year. This was an injured athlete.
Yeah.
They're raising money all year. They finally get him a dog. He got paraplegia. They finally get him a dog and a motorized wheelchair, right? He needed a system that he could breathe and everything. He was not well.
And he was a former player.
Former player. He needed a system, the oxygen
He'd
and
broken
everything.
his neck or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they get him that. They get him a dog to keep him companion, right?
Yeah.
They hook him up. The dog pulls the cord out of the wall and he dies.
Damn it.
Damn it.
They've been fundraising all year to get this man this stuff.
And the dog was not trained well enough.
And the
Decided to chew on
dog-
the goddamn hose.